April 3rd, we get snow. We're talking anywhere from 6 to 12 inches today and tomorrow. Kind of ridiculous. We had enough snow already. They worried about flooding in certain areas. I think it can happen because look all the snow. And it's coming down pretty hard. It's, as you can, I don't know if you can see it in camera, but yeah, you can see it. But yeah, it's getting ridiculous. It was nice yesterday. They're talking 40s for Friday and Saturday. It's in like 25 today. You know, ain't so bad, but we don't need all this crap anymore. Can't get nothing done outside. No, that's Minnesota. That's why we live here, I guess.